Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to upgrade to Windows 11 24H2. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Windows 11, version 24H2, also known as the Windows 11 2024 update, is now available. Method 1. Install Windows 11 2024 update using Windows Update. Right-click the Start menu, and click on Settings or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Ensure that the Turn on Get the latest updates as soon as they're available toggle is active. Recheck for updates again. If the update is available, click Download and install. Reboot your PC. When prompted, Windows 11 24H2 is still rolling out, and it may not show up in all regions or on all devices. Microsoft calls it a staged rollout. You can upgrade to Windows 11 24H2 from 23H2 and even 22H2, but remember that you must have Windows the 11th of May 2024 update or newer installed. That's because the May 2024 non-security update ensures that a full operating system swap to Windows 11 24H2 is easily possible. However, this doesn't mean you'll see the update when you check for it via Windows Update. In my case, I'm not seeing the update. Method 2. Upgrade to Windows 11 24H2 using the Installation Assistant. Another way to upgrade to Windows 11 24H2 is via the Installation Assistant. Before doing that, use the PC Health Check app to verify if your PC meets the minimum system requirements. This step is necessary because the Installation Assistant tool will not work without the PC Health Check app. Visit the official Windows 11 download page. Click on the Download Now button below the Windows 11 Installation Assistant section. Run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant.exe file. Click on Get PC Health Check app. Download the app, install it, and then open it. Once the app launches, click on Check Now. If all the checks are green, your PC is ready for Windows 11 24H2. Run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant.exe file again, and wait for the checks to complete. Click on the Accept and Install button to start the 24H2 update installation. Follow the on-screen steps and reboot the PC when the setup requests it. As shown, the Windows 11 2024 update installation process via the Installation Assistant has 3 steps, which start at downloading and finish at installing. You can keep using the PC during the Step 3 of 3, installing, phase. But remember that Microsoft will automatically reboot your computer 30 minutes after the %complete hits 100%. You can either restart your device manually, or let Microsoft do it for you. In either case, remember to save your work. After the update installs, right-click the Start menu, click on Run, type WinVer, and hit Enter to check the current version and build of 24H2 installed on your PC. It should be build 26100 and version 24H2. Method 3. Clean install Windows 11 24H2. The good news is that Microsoft has also published ISO files for the Windows 11 2024 update. Download the Windows 11 24H2 ISO file from the Microsoft Download Windows 11 page or from the Media Creation tool. Our videos on how to download Windows 11 ISO might help. The link is in the description below. Create Windows 11 24H2 installation media. Our video on how to create Windows 11 installation media might help. The link is in the description below. Install Windows 11 24H2. Our video on how to install Windows 11 24H2 might help. The link is in the description below. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.